Ilana from the Bureau here with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Thursday the 28th of May. Now tomorrow we'll continue to see an extensive area of shower and thunderstorm activity through eastern Australia with this low pressure system and trough. Now the heaviest areas of rainfall expected tomorrow are through northern New South Wales and southeast Queensland. We do have a separate severe weather update video which goes into that rainfall in a little bit more detail. On the other side of the country, this cold front will continue to make its way through Western Australia, bringing some early storms in the far southwest, with those showers tracking along through the south during the day. And through the interior and northern parts of the country, it will generally be dry and settled. So let's now have a look state by state, and we'll start in Queensland, where this low pressure trough continues to track to the east. We're seeing widespread showers and thunderstorms through much of central and southern Queensland tomorrow. We do have quite a large risk of severe thunderstorms tomorrow. Now that risk area extends from Rockhampton to east of Roma and all the way down to the New South Wales border, and does include Brisbane and the Gold Coast. In addition to that risk of heavy falls, which could bring some flash flooding, we may also see some storms which bring damaging wind gusts or large hail during tomorrow. Further up through central parts of the coast, we'll just see some more scattered showers, and through the far west of the state, it will be cool but sunny. For Brisbane, it will be a wet, rainy and stormy day with a top of 23 degrees, and we could see some severe thunderstorms in the area. Now through New South Wales, where again this low pressure trough will continue to track to the east, and we have a large area of widespread rain and thunderstorm activity. Now the heaviest falls tomorrow are expected through the Hunter and mid-north coast areas, where we have a severe weather warning for heavy rainfall current and also a flood watch. However, severe thunderstorms are possible all the way up through northeast New South Wales towards the border. Further south of Sydney along the coast, those showers will tend more scattered, and out in the far west of the state, it will be a mostly dry day. For Sydney, it will be a wet and rainy day with possible storms in the afternoon and evening. We'll see 22 degrees, and Canberra is still likely to see a few showers and then a top of 19. In Victoria, following some of today's rainfall, we're likely to see some post-rain fog through some districts. Then we'll just see some isolated showers through southern parts, turning a little bit more scattered through Gippsland. Melbourne is likely to see some of that post-rain fog in the area tomorrow, and then a top of 17 degrees. In Tasmania, we continue to see this low pressure trough extending into eastern parts here, continuing to bring some shower activity, particularly to the east. However, compared to today, Wednesday, those showers are expected to be much lighter. Tomorrow for Hobart, we'll see some of those showers, particularly in the early morning period, and then a top of 18 degrees. Now into South Australia, which is seeing a little bit of a break between two weather systems to its east and west. So tomorrow through South Australia, we'll see some morning fog through agricultural areas, and then some isolated showers through the south. For Adelaide, we may see a bit of morning fog and then a cloudy day with a top of 18 degrees. Into Western Australia now, where we see the tail end of this cold front moving through the southwest. That could bring some early thunderstorms to the lower west and southwestern parts, and then those showers will continue throughout the day, extending into the wheat belt and the goldfields. We could also see some gusty winds behind that front along the south coast. For Perth, there is the possibility of some showers and a thunderstorm in the very early morning, and then we'll see a top of 21 degrees. Now in the Territory, we have a surge of dry, cool, southeasterly air making its way all the way up to the top end. So for Darwin, we're looking at quite a pleasant morning tomorrow, 20 degrees, and then warming up to a sunny 31. That's all for our national weather forecast. If you'd like some more information, please visit us at the Bureau's website, app or social media. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.